Hey everyone! Welcome to our exciting video on French time markers. Time markers help you clearly tell when things happen in conversations. Let us start with past time markers used in French. Use hier for yesterday. For example, hier j'ai vu un film means yesterday I watched a movie. Use avant-hier for the day before yesterday. For example, avant-hier il a plu means the day before yesterday it rained. Use la semaine passée for last week. For example, la semaine passée j'ai voyagé means last week I traveled. Use il y a quelques jours for a few days ago. For example, il y a quelques jours j'ai rencontré un ami means a few days ago I met a friend. Use il y a longtemps for a long time ago. For example, il y a longtemps j'ai appris à nager means a long time ago I learned to swim. Those are the main past time markers to place events in time. Now let us move to present time markers in French.
Use aujourd'hui for today. For example, aujourd'hui, je travaille means today I am working. Use là for now. For example, je suis là maintenant means I am here now. Use ces jours-ci for these days. For example, ces jours-ci, je lis beaucoup means these days I read a lot. Use actuellement for currently. For example, actuellement, j'étudie le français means currently I am studying French. Use présentement for at present. For example, présentement, il pleut means at present it is raining. Use en ce moment for at this moment. For example, en ce moment, je regarde la vidéo means right now I am watching the video. Those are the key present time markers to describe what is happening now. Past markers talk about what already happened, while present markers describe now. Avoid mixing markers, like saying aujourd'hui when you mean hier. Practice daily by making sentences about your routine using these markers. Listen to native speakers and try writing short paragraphs with both past and present markers. Congratulations! Keep practicing, and your French conversations will sound much more natural.